Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm breaking down how to change your look when you don't know what it is you really want. As a stylist, when people come in and sit in your chair and it's a new client, or maybe it's an existing client and they want to change, but yet they don't know what it is they want. They're just bored with their hair, they're bored with their color, they're bored with the cut, they're maybe ready to change something in their life and reinvent themselves. So they come to you, the professional, for help. So it's just really difficult when someone's like, I don't know what I want, what do you think is best, right? Do what you think is best. But yet you know that that could lead to some problems, because what you think might look good may not really work with their lifestyle or be something that they're into, all right? So here's a couple things that I do for people that really help me get to the bottom of what it is they want. And it's really not even giving them what they want, it's taking away the things that they don't want. All right, so your client sits in a chair, let's say her name is Jen. And then you go through either a bunch of pictures or a bunch of descriptions of looks of things that she hates. So I'm like, all right, Jen, if you don't know what you want, let's talk about things that you know you don't want. Do you like short hair? No. All right, so short hair is out of the question. Do you like red? No, you don't like red. Do you like blonde? Yes. Okay, cool. So blonde's something we could change your hair to. Now, do you want a lot of layers? No. So you want something a little more one length with maybe a little bit of movement? All right, so short hair is out of the question. A lot of layers is out of the question. Red's out of the question. Jen, do you want bangs? No, she doesn't want bangs. All right, cool. So no short hair, not a lot of layers, no red, no bangs. What else? How much time do you have in the morning to do your hair? 5 minutes? All right, cool. So you're gonna need a ponytail. So you're gonna keep it long, right? So what you're gonna start doing is peeling off things that Jen doesn't like and peeling off things that may not work with her, not just the look of the hair, but also styling wise. Like, how long will it take her to achieve a certain look that's gonna help transition her into this big change of a style that she has? So many people want to change their style, but yet they're not fully aware of how long it will take to learn the skills to do their hair now. Because their whole life they've been doing their hair a certain way, they've acquired a certain set of skills. So it's up to you to also teach them how to style their hair in a timely fashion if time is an issue for them. So the one thing I always tell people is, if they can't figure out what they want, if it's a new client, bring me in 3 to 6 pictures of things you don't want. 3 pictures of a cut that you don't like, and 3 pictures of colors you don't like. This way I can take a look at that and stay away from those, and then start connecting the dots of things that you do like. All right, so I hope that brought you some value. If you're confused on how to change your look, or if you're a stylist and you're a little stuck on the consultation part of things, where you're trying to help these people figure out a new look or a new style for them. So if you can't really come to a good solution of something they like or they love, then flip it around and take away things they don't like, and then you'll wind up with a really cool style that works for them. All right, any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below. Make sure you click subscribe, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye.